Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is our last day in Colombia and it was a good time. We had a good time. We wanted to do more, but time, we had to, well, we didn't have enough time. There was just stuff is here to do. You can't
never
do it
enough
never
time,
enough time.
sweetie.
Never enough time. So this is what we live in. Nice view every morning.
Yes, a little balcony.
Nice temperature. All of the balcony. All of these hills that we tried. Sometimes a lot of stuff that we went to those hills. All of the park across there. We'll strip over there.
We went to
Guatape. We do some
went
stuff.
to the graffiti tour.
Tumba 13. We did several stuff we did. We wanted to do more. We need like 2 months here to do what you wanted to do.
See everything around the city.
Yes, but first, because we're in an Airbnb, we got to get these stuff back in the order that we received.
Yep. Yeah, we're ready to leave, but we need to put stuff back because Oral moved everything around because we're in an Airbnb and Ramses just messed up everything. So we put the flowers that was inside on the balcony, so we need to put it back inside.
Put that in.
So let me put this in and then you can put that back.
Yep.
Yep.
That's where we found
That's where we got it, right? Yep.
Yep.
And then we put the table back already. We had this table in the corner over there where the flowers was because it was just too much jumping around with the boys. So we already put the table back and the chairs.
And these stuff.
So yeah, so those were
there?
Yeah, those were there.
The cactus Ramses can't touch or get hurt.
Yeah, but he touches everything.
These stuff were
So
done
yeah, we don't want to mess up their nice figurine. So yeah, yep, exactly.
And
what about those? Yeah,
most of all, these stuff
we need to like watch him right now.
Right here.
Well, he's watching Blippi right now, so. Yeah.
And I think that's it.
That's it. Put the cushions back in the couch. The white ones are all at the end, so I think that's fine already.
That's
I started to put them in. Just put there's one over there and this one too. Not like we have to tidy fully, but you know. And we put the games back already. They had a lot of games, and we put those back already. So Ramses was in the drawing all over. On the table, I think that's it.
And
that's
we closed in the balcony?
Yeah, we kept this balcony closed most of the time unless we're out there. It would be kept closed because we don't want Ramses hanging out there. It's kind of dangerous. Okay. All right, so we're ready to go?
Let's go.
Ramses, are you ready?
I'm not ready to go.
You're not ready to go?
Nope.
Come
on. We're having so much fun.
Let's go.
Ramses, time to go. Let's turn their TV off.
No.
Yeah, it's so much different when you're in an Airbnb.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of stuff around to get messed up. I'll turn this off. So it's time to go.
No.
The bags are packed.
Put out the garbage.
Put out the garbage? Oh.
Wash around this.
Yeah.
I have to come back and wash my hands.
Yeah. I'll watch you. So it's right around the corner, right?
Yeah, the shoe.
Yeah. You'll just go right around the corner and empty the garbage. You notice everywhere we go, there's like signs for human trafficking and child sexual exploitation. So that's really a big thing here, and they're cracking down on it. So there's a camera up there.
Hi.
There's a camera there, so we're doing that. Yeah, so that's it. We are on our way out.
No.
Stop, Satan. Alright, so once we get outside, we'll probably record a little bit more. But that's about it for now.
I set up the couch.
See you guys soon.
Wait, no.
What?
Look, I set up the couch.
Good job, Satai. Good job.
Are all the lights off?
What? Where's your hat? Where's your hat, Ramses?
It's in the bag. It's in this bag. Alright, Satai, come on. Come on, Satai.
The ones from the bathroom and the...
What's there? Satai, oh.
You have the...
Making sure all the lights are off.
Even the bread had at the bottom.
So we lost checkout. So now we are back in the car.
You know the milk is...
It's a nice auto. It's the first we come to this side. You know, I'm no weird for size. It's a lot of ill, but this is a lot of ill. It's a lot of ill. I'm telling you, it's like, it's just crazy. Car rolling back. I know, stoplight up the hill. Look at this car rolling back. Oh.
Careful when you drive.
Oh, we gotta be careful when you drive here.
To drive for you and everyone else, particularly the bikers.
Oh yeah, the bikers are.
They just
Tons of-
pop out in
tons
the
of
streets.
bikers.
Yep. Have to look out for them.
Because they're more dangerous because they go more faster than cars.
Yeah. They're not like they're more dangerous, but I just think they're not as careful, you know. They're not as careful. They just pop out in the street. Seen it multiple times. We just passed the last toll booth for her trip. Yeah, there's a lot of tolls. Every time we drive out, we have to pay a toll. So, yeah.
Well, if you have to get out of Medellin,
To get out of Medellin, you have to pay a toll. To get back in, you pay a toll again. I guess that's good for the country.
It's just like New York.
Snakes
Yeah.
are here.
Snakes?
Yes.
Oh, you see the sign, yeah.
Yeah, snakes
Yeah.
are actually here.
Yeah, be careful.
So-
Snake crossing.
Yeah.
What was the price of that last toll? 23,000?
23,800.
23
Oh, so can I ask you a
1,800
question?
peso.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, so that's it.
So if
Going through the tunnel. This is a very
Tunnel in place.
can I say something?
yeah, there's a
I
lot
want
of
to say something. Can I say something?
through the tunnel, still going through the tunnel. Still going through the tunnel.
Oh, someone walking. Oh, they're working.
Yeah, they're working, yeah.
They have,
I was like, what?
they have helmet on
Yeah.
and light.
But it says conserve. No.
Can I say something?
But it's a long way though. It's the same tunnel we took when we were going to Santa Fe? Maybe not,
No,
right?
no.
No,
This is over to
wow.
the other side.
This is another one, yeah. It's a long way to go in the tunnel. Going through the tunnel. This is a very,
Tunnel in place.
Can I say something?
yeah, there's
I
a
want
lot
to
of...
say something. Can I say something?
Through the tunnel, still going through the tunnel. Still going through the tunnel.
Oh, someone walking. Oh, they're working.
Yeah, they're working, yeah.
They have,
I was like, what?
they have helmet on
Yeah.
and light.
But it says conserve. No.
Can I say something?
But it's a long way though. It's the same tunnel we took when we were going to Santa Fe? Maybe not,
No,
right?
no.
No,
This is over to
wow.
the other side.
This is another one, yeah. It's a long way to go in the tunnel. So guys, I think it took us about 10 minutes.
Not 10.
What do you say?
Not 10
Yeah,
minutes.
10
This is
minutes.
the longest tunnel I've ever been in.
Yes.
No,
Yeah, it's very
no,
long.
10,
that,
12 minutes to get through this tunnel.
No.
Seriously.
that was 22 hours.
It felt like 22 hours. I thought we were not going to exit. Wow. It's got to be the longest tunnel.
Oh, it's a one-side toll. So when you go from this side, you pay, and when you go from the other side, you pay.
Oh.
Yeah. So you remember that sometimes you pay twice.
Yeah.
But they have the.
This one is just once.
No, you will have to come back in and you pay. They have.
Right.
Yeah, they have it at both entrance.
Okay.
But the other tunnel.
In 1 mile,
all of them you pay once
take
you're
the
going
second
back and
exit
forth.
toward Aeropuerto Internacional Jose Maria Cordova.
To find where the car will drop is.
It has to be the same airport where.
Yeah, it's the same airport. We just need to drop the car off. Oral is returning our rental car now. There he is. So I'm just waiting for him, and he's going to return the car and then see if they can drop us off at the departure section because we're in arrival. This is just outside the airport. Outside the check-in area where the cars are all parked. Rams is asleep in, Satai's looking out, Logan is chilling in the front. Strap Rams is
Is that
in.
everything?
Yeah, if everything.
Is in? Okay.
Or mom.
Come on now. Everything good? Okay. Alright, Garcia. Okay, so rent-a-car dropped off. And we're gonna go to the terminal now.
And now we're going back to your yard
We're going back to New York.
on the plane.
Okay.
Wait, can I say something else?
What do you want to say?
Mommy been swapped for a lot of times.
She been what?
For a lot of times.
She been swapped at the airport?
For a lot of times.
They swap me like.
Because she's keep bringing liquid. That's why she be swapped a lot of times.
What kind of liquid am I bringing? Tell them.
What kind of liquid she bring in?
Juice, liquid,
Okay, for you and Ramsey.
Okay. I love and take this.
That's why.
and yoga liquid too.
Want me to stop?
Yeah.
So Seta is concerned that I carried juice with me, but look,
You're up
I still
already?
have, hold on, I still have 2 boxes of juice and a yogurt. Go. Seta, go. See?
The background there. So we're in the wheelchair and kids row. So that's good.
The
Preferential row. Ah, Ramses, you help us to get through faster.
Yeah. Same thing when we were coming in.
You know.
Got you really fast because of that.
Yep. So we're in the wheelchair and kids row. So that's good.
The
Preferential row. Ah, Ramses, you help us to get through faster.
Yeah. Same thing when we were coming in.
You know.
Got you really fast because of that.
Yep. See what he's doing? What Ramses is doing? Turning on the GoPro and waving to it.
Oh my god, man.
Duty free, liquor, perfume. All the prices in duty free are in the US. Tom Ford perfume. Mont Blanc. Oh. I need a bell. Should I buy a Mont Blanc bell?
No, you did.
Okay.
No.
I know. I survived without a bell.
Survive.
Mommy, what did you
Snack. Huh? This is potato chips. Really? Huh? How much money? What do you want? So you didn't buy the snack that you thing? You didn't buy your. Okay, so let's see. So we have the lunch in the airport, and still waiting.
Yeah, we're still
Till
waiting.
we've been set up.
Still waiting for my burger.
Yeah, it's a mega pickings.
Why are they
Not a lot of restaurants there. It's like the only
It's
restaurant here.
Yeah, I think it's the only one.
Why are these burgers
Like local burger joint.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Mommy,
If I
look,
know what it would have gone. Maybe they have chicken
look.
nuggets over there for the kids.
Mommy, look, somebody buying you.
Yeah.
If I'd known
The
that,
kids
I
want
would've
chicken
gone over
nuggets,
there.
so let's go and check. But we
I
still
just
could
thought
go
this
check.
was the only option.
But we still could check.
Yeah, I
to
could
make
go
sure.
check actually. Why don't I go and check while
Yeah.
you guys get your food?
Yeah. So Logan almost finished with his burger, and Stacey and went to get chicken tenders for Satai. What is the big burger? When I ordered a quinoa salad, but it hasn't arrived as yet, so still waiting. But Stacey and burger is huge. Take it have ham and they come with the fries. Some fries, I ate some of the fries. So not much food place in this airport. So I think this is the largest one, and they have some burger joint at the other side. Well, we're Stacey and going to get the chicken tenders. Boarding time. So guys, we're on Spirit, right? But we still have some privilege on Spirit. So it's the first time you shop in Spirit, right? But because I have
I've traveled Spirit before, but it's a long time ago.
but I have a credit card
Like to
with them,
message-
and because of
message
that, I think I get Zone 2 boarding.
Okay.
Because of that, I have a Bank of America credit card with them, so that's why. So I guess it's work out. We still get a little preferential boarding, and this one, not like American, we get priority, but
Yeah.
yeah, still all right.
It's been okay.
Okay. All right, you have the boarding
Seriously? Yes.
Let her get back.
Nice.
Thank you.
Why did they just walk?
You're practicing your Spanish consistently, huh?
Yeah, because
I hear that.
I'm planning on, you know,
I don't know. What are you planning on?
planning on traveling more Spanish countries.
Okay, that's good.
Starting,
So we're all gonna be traveling to
Starting to Peru.
I've been to Peru already. I've been to Peru before.
But I wasn't there.
That's true, you wasn't there. You're
So
right.
now he has to go back, right?
You're totally right. Satan.
No, I have to come to Peru with you now.
That's true, yes. That is true. So.
So now now I
Should we take Logan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Logan should come to Peru?
oh
Where's the boarding
yeah.
pass so we can check?
Oh yeah, Logan
Let me
should
hold
come
this.
to Peru because then he can chill all he wants and he can watch his phone all he wants.
He can practice his Spanish,
That's what he does, right? Watch his phone.
but he's not practicing his Spanish.
He already did. But he ain't doing it again.
No, Satan, I gotta go on this side.
Get
It's alright, come over here.
Don't ask me.
You and
No.
Logan go over there so that I can help me with Ramses. Oh yes, thank you so much.
What's up, guys? So we're on a plane. We're going to where are we going again?
Fort Lauderdale.
So we're going to Fort Lauderdale, and then we're gonna take another plane to what is it again?
Where you living?
Oh, New York. And then I'm gonna be going to summer camp tomorrow. Yeah.
So Ty and I are just going through his supply list.
And then I'm gonna go to first grade. So this is our more supply list. Let me read it. So it's rulers, what is this? And 2 packs of what the heck? Topper erasers. And it's so crazy, like. So, erasers and 24 color pencils.
Yeah.
What?
This is a food tray that Spirit out.
Everybody that chocolate spirit
The
knows.
smallest food tray I've ever seen. Yes.
Everybody that chocolate spirit knows that oral.
Oh my god. Look at it.
If you don't travel spirit,
Listen.
you don't know. You don't travel spirit, that's why you don't know.
boarding our final flight of the day. Going to Newark, New Jersey, and then
I'm gonna go to summer
go to New
camp.
York. So
Then I'm gonna
thanks
be
for
at
watching
summer
our
camp.
return journey. Bye, and see you next time.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.